mushroom chicken stew or a creamy mushroom stew. This is so good. Even the sauce is actually as good as like a gravy. Oh, this is awesome. Now let's start. Okay, here it's a half or one small onion. Of course, we use 2 packs of button mushrooms or at least 8 to 10 pieces diced up, and 2 legs and 2 thigh chopped up. So now it's like 8 pieces. We use butter for starters. Okay, we get all the butter on the leftover. This is about 1 spoon of butter. That's all. No need for more. All right, here we go. Make sure it's all melted good. And the heat cannot be more than medium or low heat. It has to be at least medium to low, not medium high, because it's gonna burn up the butter. Okay, now let's put the mushrooms all diced up. Yes. You can actually add more if you want, if you guys love mushrooms. I do, but it gets a little too expensive. So this is good enough. Yes, now we mix it good. Make sure all the mushroom pieces are coated in oil. This way they don't burn up. So you can let them cook for now like this. All right. Yes. Okay, now we let it sit for a bit. Now it's cooking good. We mix it again so it doesn't burn up. We make a divot in the middle for the onions. Now we start frying the onions. We make sure every single piece of the onion or the chopped onion is oiled up too so that it cooks well and properly. All right, there you go. Now the crushed garlic, about 2 cloves, no more. Okay, we get there. Now it's gonna start cooking really good with the garlic and onions and the mushrooms. Oh, the smell is just amazing. Right, we cover this up. Okay, let it sit for a while. And now that it's boiling and cooking well, oh yeah, now it's ready. We mix it up a bit some more. Oh, it smells so good. This is just really, really good. Yep, make sure everything is flat and cooking well. All right. Next up, we actually drop in the chicken. We let it fry on the juices of the mushrooms and onion and garlic. This way it's gonna be really, really good. It gets the taste really good. Some just put the chicken when there's already water or sauce, but we do this way. The chicken flavors get amplified. All right. Yes, now it's cooking well. We'll turn it, make sure it doesn't burn up on one side or the other. Oh yeah, now it's smelling really good. And it smells the mushrooms, onion and garlic is like it's feeding the flavors of the chicken. Oh yes. So good, so good. Yes, make sure it's mixed up good like that. All right. Now here we go. Make sure it's covered, it's turning there. Now it's gonna cook everywhere or each side really good. Now we put basil leaves or dried basil for seasoning. This one's gonna be really good. I mean, it's up to you how you want to season it, but we use basil and then oregano. Yes, and of course, because it's chicken, dried rosemary. Now it's gonna be really perfect. Okay. Now we mix it a bit some more. Oh, the smell is really good now. It's like it's starting to lightly fry the chicken on the flavors and taste of the juices of the mushroom, onion, and garlic. Now this is about 2 cups of chicken broth where we dissolved 2 spoons of um, ordinary baking flour. This way it thickens the sauce really good. Now we're gonna let it boil a bit more so it starts cooking the chicken properly and really well. You mix it a bit, just make sure you don't burn the under part. Yes, now it's getting good. All right. We also lower the heat because it's starting to boil really strong. And 1 more cup of water just to make sure it doesn't get too thick before cooking the actual chicken. Technically, the chicken is already half fried, So one more cup of water. Okay, now it's perfect. We cover it, we let it simmer. All right. Now it smells so good. Put crushed black pepper. There you go. Now it's starting to get there close. It's almost done. It's all getting cooked really good. Now you can see the sauce. Oh, it's like gravy. It is awesome. And now here, it's almost done. Yes, this is after 5 or 10 minutes of boiling. Now we lower the heat to almost, low heat. Now it's all good. Now we serve it. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's like gravy good. Yes. Oh, this is so good. And of course, if you're enjoying this, you gotta click the video here on the other ones. And of course, subscribe if you haven't. This way, you can be part of our community and enjoy all the good stuff. So here it is. So thank you. And of course, you let me know once you try this and how good it is. So again, thank you.